Welcome back to Ingenious Accounts World. Journalizing. Today we are going to journalize some more transactions. First one, purchased office furniture rupees 10,000. Office furniture means it is an asset. First account, furniture account. Furniture is an asset. Here there is an increase of asset, then debit asset account. Here debit furniture account. And here cash purchase or credit purchase, that is not mentioned. Such type of transactions must be considered as cash transactions. Why it is a cash transaction? I have already done a video about this. If you have any doubt, please watch that video. I will share the link in the description box. Here, purchased office furniture means purchased office furniture for cash. We have paid cash. So the next account, cash is an asset. Here the cash balance reduced or asset value decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit cash account. Then debit furniture account and credit cash account. So the journal entry is furniture account debtor to cash account. Purchased office furniture. Now the next one. Purchased goods from Anisha rupees 20,000. Purchased goods means purchases. So the first account, purchases account. Purchases is an expense. Here the expenses increased, then debit expense account. Here debit purchases account. Here also cash purchase or credit purchase, that is not mentioned. But here the name of the person from whom we have purchased the goods, that is given. These type of transactions must be considered as credit transactions. That is without mentioning the type of transaction, the person from whom we have purchased the goods is given. These type of transactions are credit transactions. Then here purchased goods from Anisha on credit. Then the amount is payable to Anisha. So the next account, Anisha account. Anisha is a creditor and is a liability to the business. Here the liability of the business increased. Then credit liability account. Here credit Anisha account. So debit purchases account and credit Anisha account. Then the journal entry is purchases account debtor to Anisha account. Purchased goods on credit. Okay, now the next one. Sold goods rupees 5,000. Here also cash sales or credit sales, that is not mentioned. These type of transactions are cash transactions. So sold goods for cash. We have received cash. Then first account, cash account. Cash is an asset. Here the cash balance increased or asset value increased. Then debit asset account. Here debit cash account. Sold goods means sales. Sales is revenue. The next account, sales account. Sales is a revenue. Here the revenue of the business increased. Then credit revenue account. Then credit sales account. Debit cash account and credit sales account. Then the journal entry is cash account debtor to sales account. Sold goods for cash. Now the next one. Sold goods to Ram rupees 6,000. Here also cash sales or credit sales, that is not mentioned. But here to whom we have sold the goods, that is mentioned. This type of transactions are credit transactions. Then here sold goods to Ram on credit. The amount is receivable from Ram. Then the first account, Ram account. Ram is a debtor and is an asset. Here the asset value of the business increased. Then debit asset account. Here debit Ram account. Sold goods means sales. So the next account, sales account. Sales is revenue. Here there is an increase of revenue. Then credit revenue account. So credit sales account. Debit Ram account and credit sales account. Then the journal entry is Ram account debtor to sales account. Sold goods on credit. Now the last one. Cash withdrawn for personal use rupees 3,000. Withdrawal by the proprietor from the business for his personal use is known as drawings. So the first account, drawings account. Drawings reduces the liability of the business, that is capital. Then first account, drawings account. It is a liability decreasing item. Then debit drawings account. Here he has withdrawn cash. Then the next account, cash account. Cash is an asset. Here the cash balance reduced or asset value decreased. Then credit asset account. Here credit cash account. Then debit drawings account and credit cash account. Then the journal entry is drawings account debtor to cash account. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay. These are the transactions. That's all for today. I hope this video would be helpful to you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.